Hey, you two, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are some of the items from IKEA that my wife purchased. So unfortunately, I don't have the price for each item. I think only the frother is like $1.99. I look elsewhere on Amazon or eBay, it was like more expensive. So yeah. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and then check it out. So yeah, I've got 8 of this. Each of them is only like $1.99. Unfortunately, the old one that we have, my wife burned the motor because I told her she need to let it rest, but I guess she just kept on mixing it. So right here are the item list. It's a brush to brush your oil or seasoning or whatever. This measuring cup in the middle, because she likes to drink a lot of matcha, so this wooden spatula. I don't like it when they have a cut in the middle. It's kind of hard to wash if the food debris gets stuck in there. So wow, this big stainless measuring cup. It's a big salad bowl. So all these are made in China. So when the tariff kick in, it's gonna be more. Oh my god, it is broken. What the heck? Oh my gosh. broken glasses right here as well. I'm not even going to open the other one because I could feel the broken on the other side. So you get a bag for free. They're so stupid. They put the wooden bowl not even wrapped and next to the glass, and then it's gonna bang back and forth and mess it up and break the glass. Yeah, you hear broken pieces of glass. So this is for salad or fruit. You shake all the water out after you wash them. So this is the spinner right here. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.